important activities like student made with sand, stone, acrylic color, and mirror. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anushka from class 3B. My name is Dhani Jain from 4B. Today I am showing you my working activity as card, folder, and love making. I use sheets, fabrical, scissors, and decorative materials. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, beta.
Mask and puppet making. Father, and this is grandmother. And this is Chota Bheem, tiger, rabbits.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Nani and Neela. Some examples of Nani and Neela. Ma'am, open the book and then see the pictures.
ये तो घर से बन रहा है।
Making tool maps and poster materials like CD, wooden things, etc. Cut the sheets according to the size they need. Decorate with the colors, glitters, mirrors, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good.
Morning, ma'am. Welcome to our recycling table. We have made beautiful things from waste material. Thank you. Have a nice
Very
day.
good, beta.
Paper geometry box and then this paper geometry box.
Very good.
Then paper pouch and paper rolls. Flowers.
Very good, beta.